Reaching the goal of making your first $100,000 can be a daunting challenge, taking dedication and hard work to achieve. Making that much money in cash or equivalent assets is not something that comes overnight. It requires thoughtful planning and smart decision making. Many sources of income exist, ranging from working full-time jobs to starting an online business. There are countless options open to potential entrepreneurs, but no matter which path is chosen, the same amount of effort will be required. There is nothing more rewarding than achieving a long-term goal, especially when it takes hard work and persistence. You might have heard the phrase, accumulating the first $100,000 from a standing start with no seed money is the most difficult part of building wealth. This phrase was made famous by Charlie Munger, a highly successful billionaire investor who is also Warren Buffett's right-hand man. He means that while it's hard enough to accumulate the first $100,000 from a standing start without any seed money, it is even harder to do so without taking risks. Risks can come in many forms, such as investing in markets or businesses and using leverage. While these strategies can have great upside potential, they also carry the risk of losing capital. It is therefore important to be aware of the risks before investing and make sure you have a plan for protecting your initial capital should you experience losses. Finally, do not forget about taxes. Earning six figures does come with tax obligations, so it's crucial to stay on top of these payments as well. As mentioned previously, the mental block of risking your hard-earned money for an investment is always the hardest thing to overcome. People tend to sacrifice future goals for short-term pleasure, such as eating out more often than needed or spending money on unnecessary purchases instead of investing that money and let it compound. Making or saving the first $100,000 can often be a difficult and taxing experience for individuals. For some, there's simply not enough money coming in to cover basic costs of living and put anything aside. For others, it can come down to finding a job that pays well enough or making sound financial decisions. One way to overcome the mental block is by setting clear and measurable goals. The majority of people lack a clear goal. It can be overwhelming to think about such a large amount of money, but by breaking it down into smaller, more manageable goals, it becomes much more achievable. Setting specific, measurable goals, such as saving a certain amount of money each month or increasing your income by a certain percentage, can help you focus on what needs to be done to reach your ultimate goal. Another way is to change your mindset. Many people believe that making a large amount of money is only possible for a select few, but this is not true. The key is to change your mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance. This can be done by focusing on the possibilities and opportunities available to you, rather than the limitations. Additionally, surrounding yourself with positive, successful people who have already achieved financial success can help you to adopt a more positive can-do attitude towards that goal. Once you have made your first $100,000, it will take less time to earn your next $100,000. Think about it this way. If you earn a 10% return on your $100K, that will net you $10K, which is just shy of $1,000 per month. However, the same return on a $5K investment will net you around $500, which is barely noticeable compared to $10K. This also means that you can now start to take lower risk investments, as you are not aiming for 100% or 200% return each year. Imagine once you reach the 1 million mark, a 10% return will net you $100K. To accelerate your progress towards a six-figure income, it is often recommended to save 20% to 30% of all earnings while actively investing any capital you possess as soon as possible. Doing this will give you momentum towards such a sizable accomplishment and earn you the satisfaction of achieving financial success. Getting a higher paying job might be a good plan to start, if possible. If not, you might be in a position to start negotiating a higher salary if you have worked in the same place for a while. If none of that is possible, then you can start a side hustle or a part-time job or even a second job to grind towards that sacred 100K. Once you have achieved the goal of making your first 6 figures, it is essential to continue growing and leveraging that success. You can do this by reinvesting some money into other opportunities or investments and diversifying your portfolio. This will help minimize risk and ensure that you are able to maximize any potential gains in the future. Additionally, it is important to continue budgeting and sticking to a financial plan as you move forward with your success. Doing this will help ensure that future goals are met while still allowing room for leisurely activities. Ultimately, achieving the 6-figure milestone is an attainable goal if you have the right strategy in place and stay motivated. This can be through networking, joining a mentorship program, or even just sharing your goals with a friend or family member who can offer encouragement and accountability. Another strategy is to educate yourself on different ways to make money and invest your time and resources into learning new skills and taking on new opportunities. This can include taking on a side hustle, investing in real estate, starting a business, or exploring passive income streams like dividend stocks or rental properties. By diversifying your income streams and expanding your knowledge base, you increase your chances of reaching the 6-figure milestone. In conclusion, remember that reaching a 6-figure income is a journey and not a destination. It takes hard work, dedication, and a solid strategy. But the most important thing is to believe in yourself and never give up. Everyone can achieve this if they put their mind into it. So, good luck on your journey to reaching a 6-figure income. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on achieving financial success. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more stuff like this, and leave a comment as to what video you would like me to do next. Bye bye.